Number 6. Block the view. It means to obstruct sight or prevent from being able to see something.
The tall building blocks the view of the park. The tall building blocks the view of the park. Don't block the view, I can't see the stage. Don't block the view, I can't see the stage. The new sign blocks the view of the lake. The new sign blocks the view of the lake.
Number 7. Blow the whistle. It means to report or make known a wrongdoing or unethical conduct.
She decided to blow the whistle on the company's fraud. She decided to blow the whistle on the company's fraud. Whistleblowers blow the whistle to expose corruption. Whistleblowers blow the whistle to expose corruption. It takes courage to blow the whistle on illegal activities. It takes courage to blow the whistle on illegal activities.
Number 8. Wind blows. It means for the air to move naturally outside, which can cause things to move.
The wind blows fiercely before a storm. The wind blows fiercely before a storm. Leaves scatter when the wind blows in autumn. Leaves scatter when the wind blows in autumn. She loves how the wind blows through her hair. She loves how the wind blows through her hair.
Number 9. Board a plane. It means to get on an aircraft in preparation for departure.
Please have your tickets ready to board the plane. Please have your tickets ready to board the plane. We will board a plane to Rome at gate 5. We will board a plane to Rome at gate 5. He boarded the plane and found his seat. He boarded the plane and found his seat.
Number 10. Recommend a book. It means to suggest that someone reads a particular book.
Can you recommend a book for holiday reading? Can you recommend a book for holiday reading? I highly recommend this book for its great storytelling. I highly recommend this book for its great storytelling. She recommended a book that changed my perspective on life. She recommended a book that changed my perspective on life.